When looking for windows, always ask to see the NFRC label. NFRC stands for the National Fenestration Rating Council. NFRC provides standardized testing for certified performance ratings of windows. Seaway windows are tested and certified. When looking at the energy performance of windows, one of the parameters that you will want to look at is the U factor or R factors. The U factor indicates how easily heat will flow through the window. The lower the U factor, the better the window insulates. The R factor, however, is the opposite. It is how well the window insulates or how well the window resists heat flow. The higher the R factor, the better the window insulates. Assuming all things are equal, the R value is just the inverse of the U factor, 1 divided by the U factor. Another parameter that you'll want to look at when evaluating the performance of a window is something called solar heat gain coefficient, also abbreviated SHGC. The solar heat gain coefficient is the amount of solar radiation emitted through the window. This value is expressed as a number between 0 and 1 and is essentially a percentage. The lower the window's solar heat gain coefficient is, the less solar heat is transmitted into the house and the easier it is to keep your house cool in the summer. The best choice for solar heat gain coefficient depends on where you live. In hot climates, a lower solar heat gain coefficient is desirable to keep the heat outside and your air conditioning costs lower. In mixed or cold climates, a higher solar heat gain coefficient is a better choice, allowing a little more of the sun's heat to be utilized by the home, making the heating needs lower. Another parameter that you want to be concerned with when evaluating the thermal performance of a window is its air infiltration. Air infiltration is essentially how much air passes through the window or around the seals over a given amount of time, assuming a specified wind speed. This wind speed is assumed at 25 miles per hour. All operating windows allow some air to pass around the seals of the operating sashes. The lower the air infiltration rate, the less outside air is getting past the seals and into your house. Excessive air infiltration can cause drafts and make the house uncomfortable and increase your energy costs.